Lon Jenkins here. I'm going to teach you guys how to create a rain barrel. This script right here in the beginning will be at the end as well. So first we got to clean this thing up. I'm going to be sitting on it. So let's wipe it down a little bit. Right here is the bulkhead fitting. I go with the 3/4 inch bulkhead. You can use an inch. You can use 2 inches if you want. Basic rule of thumb is you get a 0.4, 0.5% water pressure for every 2 feet high it is. If the rain barrel is full. So let's drill this out. Get this in here. There we go. Gets a little hot right there. Man, that's a clean cut. Okay. Now I'm gonna get my fish tool. I use this for fishing line, wires, cable. Whatever, this thing is valuable. Get about, I think, 16 to 20 feet into a pack. They screw in like every 4 or 5 feet. These things are screwed in. Put a little tape on there. You'll see what I'm doing here. Helps me balance the bulkhead from the inside. Got a Gorilla duct tape. Pop that puppy on there, real nice. Again, this is probably going to take you 20 minutes. This isn't rocket science, it's rain barrel science. Take this down, fish it through the hole you just drilled. I had a hole saw extension on my drill by Milwaukee. Those things drill great holes. No frays or anything. Tighten it up. Pull the fish off. They call this a fish tape. It's made out of fiberglass, but Now that Gorilla duct tape is very strong, so gotta cut this off. He shoots, he scores. All right, this bulkhead is not lefty loosey, righty tighty. It's lefty tighty. You have to screw it the opposite way to tighten it. Clean out PVC. You can get this PVC in 2-foot lengths at the local store. I got a 3/4 inch. Do a little dry fit first before I use the glue, or I should say cement. Now I got the CPVC cement, but you can use it on PVC or whatever. This thing is very strong. I like to put the primer on one end and the glue on the other, push them in and turn. Now the pieces that I'm using right now, 3/4 inch male adapter. I'm going to be putting the drip irrigation on there, which is for the garden hose. When you're putting on, make sure you go to the left, because you're going to be turning to the right to tighten your PVC. This was my second barrel. My first barrel took me about an hour. My second barrel took me less than a half hour. That hole in the top will be for a filter. And I'll show you how I'll make that filter out of 2 plastic plant containers. And this is what we have. See the water coming up over top, but no leaks. Now this ball valve, this 3/4 ball valve, allows a lot of water to come through compared to a regular spigot. And that's only about 4 inches of water. If I raise that up to about 36 inches of water, it'll shoot. There you go, the lawn Jenkins.